Do you love the sound of a vibrant and fruity punch for the festive season? We've got the perfect recipe for you. It's so easy, and the best part is you can make the syrup ahead of time and have it ready to go. So we're going to start with 1 litre of cranberry juice, 250 grams of orange juice, we like freshly squeezed, 50 grams of lime juice, 50 grams of maple syrup. That's our syrup done and ready to go. And now we want to pour this into our punch bowl. And we want to add in 500 grams of soda water. Then depending on what you prefer, you can add in your 200 grams of Prosecco or 200 grams of vodka, or really anything you like. I'm going to go for vodka. And then we want to add our fruit. So we just have some strawberries that we've halved. You can quarter them as well if you prefer. Then our orange, a handful of mint leaves and ice. Give it a little stir. And that's our delicious Christmas punch ready to go. Just have to have a cheeky taste test to make sure it's good.